Canary melon, yellow melon. It should be soft. See, it's a little bit soft, and that's okay. When they are a little bit brown on the peel, it's even better, but you see, beautiful honey melon. Remove the seeds. See, beautiful stuff. Should buy these organic, because conventional is nasty chemicals that they spray on these. In Costa Rica, they grow these on huge fields, and you see big tanks of chemicals next to the road that they use for spraying on these monocropping melon fields. That's not okay. That goes into the roots, that goes into the melon flesh, and you eat it, and you slowly get more toxins into you and kill yourself. This is organic from Spain, which is nearby, and amazing quality. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.